we have this kind of the U28 trailer fender machine under testing. The thickness of the sheet is 2.3, and the machine is a gearbox transmission. This is the hydraulic decoller. It's air pressure. It's connected with this air pressure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is air cylinder. Air cylinder.
Oh.
Yeah, so it needs the air source.
Oh.
可以，可以。And the customer is coming for final inspection. This is the profile. And this is the machine. Here is the uncoiler, motorized hydraulic uncoiler with disc brake. And the material is such kind of like this. And on the machine, we have the feeding guide, we have clamp loading, and the leveling, and also we have this forming stands. And here is the hydraulic pump system. This is the cabinet. This is for product inspection, the lens. The cutting lens accuracy.